Ready for today's lightning round? Let's go. What is the highest court in the United States? The Supreme Court. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? To vote in a federal election. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? The United States. What group of people was taken to America and sold as slaves? Africans. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? The Bill of Rights. What is the rule of law? Everyone must follow the law. Name one state that borders Mexico. California. Name one U.S. territory. Puerto Rico. Where is the Statue of Liberty? The New York Harbor. What movement tried to end racial discrimination? The Civil Rights Movement. And who led that movement? Martin Luther King, Jr.